Welcome to what I hope is the first of many video presentations introducing you to the South Dakota Attorney General's office. What is the Attorney General? You're going to get a lot of different answers to that question, but it's usually going to boil down to the Attorney General is South Dakota's lawyer and they prosecute crimes. We do that, but we also do a lot more. Within our offices, we have a civil division that handles lawsuits on behalf of the state. We have an appellate division that prepares briefs and arguments for the South Dakota Supreme Court, Federal Appeals Court, all the way up to the United States Supreme Court. We investigate and prosecute Medicaid fraud, elder abuse. We have a consumer protection division. We also handle law enforcement training, law enforcement certification, and investigation into criminal matters. All of that goes on in the Attorney General's office in Pierre. You're going to see a lot of different things. Every week we're going to take an individual from one of the departments we already mentioned. Medicaid fraud, elder abuse, law enforcement training and certification. That person's going to go into the hot seat and we're going to have a question and answer session for about 5 minutes as we talk about what it is they do, how they go about getting their job done, what they hope the outcome of that job is going to be. All the steps they take to arrive at a final solution that's aimed at keeping you, the people of South Dakota, a little bit safer at the end of the day. We have a lot of topics already lined up, but we realize every time we post a video, there's going to be comments and suggestions and questions put on that video by you, the viewers. All those are going to go into a hopper. We're going to review them constantly so that we always can be on top of what it is you want to learn more about. So your comments, your suggestions are going to be the impetus to give us suggestions for future videos that we make and post for you to see. When Attorney General Brownsburg was elected, he asked me to look at preparing a newsletter, something that would go out monthly to the people of South Dakota to keep them informed about what it is we're doing at the offices in Pierre. I thought, let's take that a step further. We already use Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Let's add YouTube, put it on video, and go in depth into a topic every single week so that we can give people a little bit better look into what goes on in the Attorney General's office. Now, if we would have gone with the newsletter, the General himself would have had to write an article every month. He's not getting off the hook this way either. Every Friday we're setting aside 5 minutes to put him in the hot seat. He'll be mic'd up, the camera will be on, and we're going to call it 5 on Fridays. The Attorney General will talk right to you about the things that he's been working on, the things he sees coming on the horizon, the items that are on his desk, things that he is working on and concerned with to keep you, the people of South Dakota, safe. We're hoping the videos are really easy to find. Once we get them all ready to post every Tuesday and every Friday, the first place they're going to go is onto our Facebook page. You can find that address right here. Now, as soon as they're up on Facebook, we'll also post a notice on our Twitter account and on our Instagram account. Then the videos will also go on to our new YouTube channel. To find our YouTube channel, once you go to YouTube, all you do is go into the search bar and type SD Attorney General. Click Filters, look for channel, and when you find us, make sure you subscribe. That way you won't miss a single video when we put them out. I'm Tim Borman, Chief of Staff for the South Dakota Attorney General. I'd like to thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you back here again soon.